Are you looking to change the name of your WP content folder in WordPress but aren't sure where to start? In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to safely rename the WP content folder, and I'll highlight some key tips to avoid any costly mistakes. By the end of this video, you'll know how to make this advanced tweak with confidence, and you'll understand why it matters. Let's dive straight in. First, we need to open up your WordPress dashboard. You can do this by logging into your website like you normally would. The dashboard is like your main command center for WordPress. It's where you manage content, plugins, settings, and more. For this process, we're not actually making changes inside the dashboard itself, but it's good practice to start here so you can keep an eye on your site's status and easily run any backups. The next thing you'll need is access to your website's file system. Many hosts offer a tool called WP File Manager, which you can usually find in your hosting control panel or as a plugin in your WordPress dashboard. If you don't see that, don't worry. A reliable alternative is to use an SFTP client such as FileZilla or CyberDuck. These let you connect directly to your site's files on the server. Now, once you're inside your File Manager or SFTP client, you want to locate the root directory of your WordPress installation. This is basically the top-level folder where all of your website files live, kind of like the main folder for all your important documents on your computer. Inside this root directory, you should see a folder called WP Content. This folder is crucial because it's where your themes, plugins, and media files are stored. Think of it as the vault for all your site's customizations and uploads. To rename the WP Content folder, simply right-click on it and choose the Rename option. Depending on the tool you're using, this may look a little different, but typically a right-click will bring up some kind of menu. Give your folder a new name, something memorable but not too complicated. For example, Site Assets or Custom Content. Make a note of this name because you'll need to update your WordPress configuration settings later if you want your site to recognize the new folder. It's important to pause here and mention a crucial warning. Renaming the WP Content folder is an advanced change. Not all plugins and themes are programmed cleanly. They might assume the content folder is always named WP Content. If any code is hard-coded to look for the old folder name, you could break parts of your site. That's why it's absolutely essential to make a full backup of your website before you make any changes. This means not just your files, but also your database, just in case anything goes wrong and you need to restore your site to the previous state. Backups might take a few minutes, but trust me, that extra time is worth it for peace of mind. After you've safely renamed the folder, you're well on your way, but remember you'll need to tell WordPress where to find those assets now, usually by updating your wp-config.php file. If you want a video on that next step, just let me know in the comments. So that's the basic process. If you take it slow and make sure you have a backup, renaming your WP content folder can help with security or organization. Don't worry if this seems tricky at first. Take your time, double-check each step, and don't hesitate to ask for help if you get stuck. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please tap like, and if you have questions or want to see the next steps, drop a comment below. I always try to reply. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new WordPress tip. See you in the next video.